Miran something today. We're gonna get him some French fries and probably a toy. So I love my baby, right? Right. And we are here at my office. We're gonna go inside, do some things quickly, get a couple of stuff from the office, and then we're gonna be heading to the yard. Yard is where all the trucks are parked up when they're not working. We get maintenance and stuff done in there. So, high five, Miran. We are here, and we have to stop by Walmart to return this bullshit. It was the worst thing. Fucking hair. Well, I'm sorry for the cursing, but this does not cut anything. We were trying to cut Miran's hair, but it didn't work. So, let's go inside, Miran. Did you check the mail? Go ahead and check the mail. Let's go check the mail. Look, Miran. Nothing in the mail. Nothing, right? Now let's go inside. Open. Open. Let's go. You know where it is. Let's go. Show me Daddy's office. Let's go. Which one? This one? No. Let's see if you know. No. Next one, buddy. This one. Yeah? Let's see if we have the key. And we do. Boom. So what do you want from here? What do you want from here? Of course. Here, Miran. There you go. Take that. You want a drink? You have a drink. That's soda. That's bad. Drink this. Apple juice. It's actually orange juice. It's orange juice. Wow. Is that a toy? Is that a toy? Do you want some water? Here. Come. Boom. No, Ata. Jiza. That's me. This is Daddy. This is Miran. Daddy, Miran. This is Bobosh. That's some fuses. You want to watch something? And Daddy's gonna work? Yeah, let's put you something. Get up. Doggy chumuknad, what does a puppy say? What does a puppy say? Woof, woof. Woof, woof. Ow, ow. Ow, ow. Are you bored? Are you bored? I'll be real quick, okay? I will be real quick. Not Bobosh. And we are done. Miran, come here. Here's the exit. Here's the exit. Here's the exit. Let's go. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Slow down. Here's the door. Let's go. go. Daddy car. Look, daddy car. Let's go sit down. So yeah, we just left the office. Miran got his apple juice. I got my Red Bull. Checky, Miran. Can apple juice? Can check man? Where's apple juice, buddy? No apple juice? No, Checky. 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 Cheers. Let's go. Let's go to the yard now. You want to see some trucks? Are we going to go see some trucks? Yes. Do you want to go see some trucks, baby? Yes. Let's go. We go see some trucks, okay? Let's go, buddy. Let's go, buddy. You know you love trucks. So here is our yard. There's about 15 trucks home right now. They're taking off on the weekends. One truck parked behind these. In the company in total, we have about 65 trucks right now. I just got a brand new truck, 2025 Volvo, like that. And it should be arriving in about a couple of minutes. I don't know if I'm gonna wait for it to show you guys, but it's a 2025 brand new. It's really nice. So as you guys know, inside these trucks, they have a bed, microwave, closets, everything that you need to live in the truck, because these drivers are usually on the road for about a week or two straight, and then they come home and take a break. Miran is in there. He got too tired and it's too hot outside. He fell down a couple of times, so he's just chilling and watching his videos. But yeah, this is our yard. It's secured and gated. We have a pin over there. We just input the pin number and it closes. You put the pin number again, it opens up. So let's wait for this new truck to arrive, and I'm gonna take a look at it. I haven't seen it yet as well. Yeah, I got that truck for myself, and myself, I have about 8 trucks now. One got totaled. It was gonna be 9. A 2023 Freightliner Cascadia, like those, got knife jacked and got totaled. So I brought this guy to the yard. This boy right here has so much energy. He was running around, I was running after him, and he fell down a couple times. So that's why he is really quiet now. And sleepy. Are you sleepy, baby? Look at him, he's red like a tomato. Thank God my AC works really good. So I got him in the car. He is now chilling, probably about to go to sleep. Now we will go to car wash and get my baby some food on the way. Right, baby? What? He's always falling down and running, so let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. I cleaned it up real good. Yeah, baby? Are you tired? Okay, let's go. So here's the new truck I was talking about. That's a 2025 brand new Volvo 760. Let's see the inside. It's a brand new truck. So this is what I was talking about. It has a sleeping bed. There's 2 sleeping beds, and then there are cabinets for your stuff, a TV holder. This is where the microwave goes. This is, I believe, fridge. Yep. It has a fridge. It has a nice window. So yeah, there you go. You guys saw a 2025 brand new truck. This is what we just installed. It gives you power to the microwave and stuff like that. This one only has 926 miles on it. So we drove it from Illinois, picked it up from Illinois. That's why it has 926 miles on it. But yeah, guys, it's a brand new truck I just got from my driver, but he doesn't really like it. He used to drive that 020 right there, a Freightliner Cascadia, and he wants that back. So some people prefer Freightliners and some people prefer Volvos. So I'm probably going to give him the other truck back and switch the drivers, because I have a different driver driving that truck. That's where the trailer connects. Yeah, guys, Miran is in there. So we just left the yard, and as you guys can see, Miran fell asleep. He got really tired from running around. He has so much energy. He woke up at like 6 a.m. in the morning today. Started running around, playing. Was on his iPad for a little bit in the morning since we were sleeping. But yeah, he just came to the yard. We just came to the yard. He was running non-stop and I was running after him. So that's why I'm a little red. It's hot outside. But we were going to go to a car wash. And I'm just going to go home, drop him off home, put him in his bed, because I don't like him sleeping like that in a car seat. But we're going to go home, drop him off, put him to sleep in his bed, come back out, go to the car wash. We're going to do some vacuum inside, cleaning inside, and get a car wash done. And plus, we're going to clean the whole trunk. The trunk is really dirty. We're going to do the carpet cleaner. We're going to get a carpet cleaner. I do have a carpet cleaning vacuum, and we're going to get it really nicely cleaned up. But yeah. I'll see you guys back at home. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we just came home. So I'm gonna drop Miran off, put him to sleep in his bed, and then we're going to car wash with you guys. I'll show you guys the best car wash in my opinion. It's pretty new, just opened up last year, so we'll go to Love Car Wash. So guys, we are having lunch. My mom just made potatoes and some fried meat. And Miran woke up as soon as we came home. This guy just ate his lunch as well. He finished his lunch and he is no longer sleepy. Yes, Miran? Yeah. But yeah, we're having some lunch. And what I like doing is, I like putting this spicy ketchup. Boom, 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 boom. And it's finishing. There you go. That's enough. And then I'll go to car wash. My guy here is going to take rest at home because it's pretty hot outside.
Not car wash.
Yeah, you stay home, okay?
Not car wash.
No, you stay home.
Not car wash.
Nope. No, no, no. You're going to stay home.
Not car wash.
No.
Not car wash. You're going car wash.
Yeah, car wash, no. Car wash, no. Guys, bad news, guys. Bad news. It started raining, so we won't be able to go to the car wash today because every time it rains, they close. Yeah, so the E36 is parked behind this E53. We have the G-Class over there. We got Miran over here. Miran, is it raining? Rain, rain, go away. We got the S580. This is my dad's car. Yeah, as you guys can see, we have mostly Mercedes. Only I have the old BMW, but that's a project car. This is my car as well. This is what I drive sometimes, and sometimes I give it to my wife to drive it. And then we have the GLC over there. Hey, it's raining. Let's go. It's raining hard. Let's go, buddy. So we'll go to a car wash another day. Let's go. You're barefoot. Careful so you don't fall. You see? You see? Come on. Come on. Come on. And this is Miran's car. Miran's car. Wow, he got a Lambo. He got a green Lambo truck. Yeah, Miran? Alright, guys, so we're going to go to a car wash another day. Today, I guess we're just going to chill at home. And I believe later on tonight, we're going to a birthday party. So, see you guys on the next vlog. Peace out.